In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Bitbucket to Visual Studio Code. So the first thing you want to do, you want to create an account with Bitbucket or just sign into your account in case you have an existing one. And then here on the dashboard, you want to click on repositories up top. So this is this link over here, so bitbucket.org, and then it's going to be, of course, your repositories. And then here you want to first create your repository by clicking this button. Here you have to give it a project name, so I'm going to do a tutorial for this one, and then for the name, I'm going to go tutorial as well, like this. And then I'm going to keep it as a private repository, and then you can, of course, set these things if you want to. I'm just going to click create repository like this. Now, after you've done this, after your repository is being created, what you're going to want to do is you want to first make sure that inside your Visual Studio Code, you actually have Git installed. So in case you don't have Git, you won't be able to clone repositories. So you'll have to just download it. You'll get a link over here. Go to the website, download the latest one. And then after you do this and install that, you'll be able to clone repositories. And the way you do this is you want to go ahead, open up your repository over here and click on clone. And then you're going to get this copying link. Click on copy over here. And then, of course, over here, you want to leave it as HTTPS. And then once you've copied it, you can either click on clone in VS Code or just go back to VS Code, go to search up top, to the left over here where it says source control. Click on clone repository, and then over here in the search bar, paste this in, and then click on enter. And what this will do is it will essentially open up one of your folders where you'll have to just create a folder or just find one where you would like the repository to be created or cloned. And then you want to just select one. I'm going to go downloads, click on select as repository destination. And then once you do that, this will start getting cloned, and then you'll see this pop-up window. It says you have to log into your account. So simply just log into your account, click on sign in with your browser, and then it's going to take you over here, and that's going to sign you in. If you click on grant access, that's going to be, of course, connected automatically. As you can see, authentication has been successful. And then once you do this, you can then click on open repository if you'd like to do it. And there we go. This is now your repository. You can trust that. And then there we go. This is it. This is how you connect Bitbucket to Visual Studio Code. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.